And we're on. We're live. We've been live this whole time. So hello guys. Hello everyone. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and in today's video we are doing an empties. So I have a bunch of hair products that I have used up, and I'm just going to give you guys maybe like a mini review on it, let you guys know how I feel, would I repurchase it, would I not. I'm just showing you guys what I've used up so you can get an idea of things that I've used up. So let's go ahead and start with the very first thing, because it is on my desk. And this is the product that's in my hair right now. Of course, it's Empties. Look how small it is. And this is the Jessicurl Spiral... Let me say that again. This is the Jessicurl Spiralicious Styling Gel. And like I said, that's what's in my hair right now. Day 2 hair, and I think it looks really nice. I did notice a little bit of residue, like a little bit of flakes, so I have to double check. So far, it feels very nice and it looks good. Who knows if I would repurchase it again, but this is the first Empties I have. So another product that's on my desk that is an empty, kind of. I still have some product here, but I want to show it because it's gonna be done pretty soon, and then I could just toss it and recycle it. But this is the LovelyB's Edge Control. So with this product, I don't think I would repurchase it, just because with edge controls, I'm always looking for something different. I did do my edges, and I have to use a lot in order for it to stay down. But it's not a bad edge control. It got good ingredients in it. It has castor oil, so it helps to like promote hair growth. It's not something that I'm looking to buy again, so I'm not going to. Anyways, now let's move on to the other stuff. What I want to do to make it a little bit interesting, I kind of want to see if I can tell what the product is based on the scent. So if you guys are like, oh, that's kind of whack, sorry, because that's what I'm going to do. Just because I want to make it fun. Let's see if I know things by scent. Because I feel like I'm really good at scent. So we shall see. Oh, I don't like the way that smells.
What is it?
It smells like berries. What did I use?
Open your eyes, see what you think it is.
Dang, man. This is the Miche Beauty Indulge Moisturizing Hair Mask. Now, I do really like this hair mask a lot. I'm almost done with it, but I want to save it for a mask of the week. So I have a series. I did one video and I'm like, oh, I have a series. But I want to make it a series where I try a different hair mask every week and I update you guys on how it is. So this is one that I saved it for that video. But it doesn't smell bad. Whatever. Now with this product, it is very moisturizing and it's very softening on the hair. So if you are looking for a moisturizing hair mask, this is a good one.
Ooh! I don't think I'm gonna make you smell this.
Is this the main Krush? This is apple cider vinegar. Is this wait. EarthBorn Organics?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this right here is EarthBorn Organics, and this is the Herbal apple cider vinegar rinse. If you have apple cider vinegar at home, you can rinse it yourself. But if you're looking for something that is already made for you with different ingredients, this wasn't bad. I don't like to do a lot of apple cider vinegar rinses, so that's why I'm not gonna buy it again.
You gotta get this one. This one's easy.
Oh, I know that baby.
Easy.
I know that baby. That's the Taliah Waajid Curly Curl Cream right here. This is something that I definitely would repurchase. And I think that I have the Taliah Waajid Curl Definer, which has like the same consistency as this. So I'm not going to repurchase it because I still have that one already. So with this product right here, it is more on the paste side. So wearing it as like a one and done, I don't use it for that. I use it mainly to push my bangs back because it has more hold than a regular leave-in conditioner. It doesn't have a strong hold at all, but because it has like this pomade feel to it, I can push my bangs back and it just keeps it in place. It's not gonna keep it in place for like super strong, but it does more than a regular leave-in conditioner. So this is a product. This is I think my third bottle of it, my third jar, and I would get it again. Smells like shampoo, like minty kind of. Oh, what did I put in my hair? Can I feel it? What is this? Oh, Flora Curl Activating Lotion. This is very bad. This product I actually did like a lot. I like that it was nice and lightweight, and I think that I might repurchase this. I don't know. I gotta think about it because I have other products that kind of give me the same thing, but I don't know. There was something about this that I really did like. So this is the Flora Curl Activating Lotion. Curl Activating Lotion. This right here is a Breahni Moisture Milk. This is just a very moisturizing leave-in conditioner that you can apply as a base and you can retouch. It's not a thin product, but it's not super thick. It just feels nice on the hair. So if you're looking for something moisturizing, you can definitely look into this. Good ingredients, paraben, silicone, mineral free, I think. Yeah, all that good stuff. So check it out. And it's a pretty bottle. Nice and blue. That's my favorite color.
I'm not gonna make you smell this. Do not smell this.
Really? Is that bad?
Close your eye.
I already saw it.
What is it?
This is Soultanicals.
What the?
I don't know. This was body lotion, so I included it in it because it's Soultanicals. So this right here is the body balm. I don't like it. I wouldn't use it. I wouldn't repurchase it. It's very thin on the skin, so it didn't feel as moisturizing to me. So
don't smell it.
I'm not, but you can see it right here. I did use it all up, but it's like water when you apply it to your skin. Yeah,
how do you smell it?
I wanted to see what was so bad about it.
This ain't empty.
Really?
You know, don't smell.
Oh, it's not, but I wanted to include it because I'm gonna finish it. This is the main Krush. So this right here is the main Krush Restore, and this is I think my second bottle of it, and I would definitely repurchase it. So if you have like an itchy scalp and you want like a quick pick-me-up, then you can apply this all throughout your hair. If you have braids, this makes it easy to just go through it and apply it to your hair. Now I like it a lot, so I am gonna keep repurchasing it, and I think it's very good. So if you are looking for something to help with like an itchy scalp, and what did it say? It says like balance pH, treat scalp condition. Definitely look into this. I really like it a lot, and I have to put it back in my bathroom, but I wanted to include it because once I finish it, I'm gonna repurchase it. So just wanted to let you guys know that. It's already 9 minutes in. Oh, I gotta make it quick. This is a shampoo. This right here is the Henna Sooq Soapnut Hair Wash. Now I like this product a lot. I don't know if I repurchase it because I'm always looking for like a new clarifying shampoo, but with this, it's a very peppermint feeling on the scalp. So if you're looking for that, this is definitely a good one. It really did a good job of cleaning my hair, not making it feel super squeaky clean, but I will definitely follow up with a moisturizing hair product, and I am on the hunt for another one. Shampoos, I'm always switching it up. Oh my god, what is this? This right here is by Ecoslay, and it's a deep conditioner. As you can see, I use this baby up, and it's only 2 ounces, so I've been should I use it all up. Now with this product, it is very moisturizing. If you're looking to hook up your hair, apply heat to it. When I used it the first time, I don't think I applied heat, but when I tried it again with heat, like it just transformed my hair. My curls look nice and juicy, very moisturized after I took it out of my heated hair cap. So definitely apply heat to your conditioners. I'm about to just go quick.
What is that?
Oh, this is an edge control, man. So I forgot what this brand is by, but I wouldn't buy it again. And this is an edge control, as you can see here. I don't remember much about it, but I know I wouldn't get it again. So this is the bottle with no name. What is it? Oh my gosh. So this right here, the little conditioner. I actually like this conditioner. So it says right here, Featherweight conditioner with Indian gooseberry. And if you have, it says for normal to oily hair, light moisture, but it felt really soft on my hair, so I did enjoy it. I don't think I would buy it again, but it was very good on the hair. So if you have oily hair, or if you're looking for like a light moisture conditioner, definitely look into this. This is by Original Moxie, so look into that.
Bow.
Bow. Oh, this I would repurchase. So this right here is a Soultanicals Frizz Whiz Curl Defining Leave-In. Now I would repurchase it again just because the way that it smells like watermelon. So it has like a very fruity, sweet scent. So I do like that. But this is very lightweight, so it didn't feel heavy when I applied it to my hair. This was nice to like refresh my hair with and to like touch up. It was just really good all around. So I do like this product a lot, and I would definitely repurchase it. So this right here is a Reese's Curls Deep Conditioner. I would recommend this. This is a very good deep conditioner. I use it as a regular conditioner, but you can use it as a deep conditioner. This made my hair feel very moisturized, very hydrated after I rinsed it out. And this was just really good. So if you are on the drier side and if you're looking to invest in Reese's Curls, the deep conditioner is very good. What is this? What is this? Okay, this is the Crown Me Coil Care. This is the Royal Roots conditioner. So this product right here is not a creamy, like a thick conditioner, but this is just another conditioner that I did use up. It didn't make my hair feel dry, but I wouldn't really repurchase it again. This product right here is the All About Curls No Lather Cleanser. I don't know if this was a dupe everybody was saying for the Diva Curl product. It's not a clarifying shampoo, but if you're looking for something to like clean your scalp and still moisturize at the same time, this wasn't bad. This is the Bask and Bloom More Moisture Cream. So you can see that I did use this product up. Now this is very, very moisturizing. This was too heavy for my hair, so that's why I would not repurchase it again. But if you notice that your hair is really on the drier side, or if you have like really curly hair, a lot of coils to your hair, and you like really moisturizing product, definitely look into that. This is moisturizing to the max and all that good stuff, but it was a little too heavy for me, so I wouldn't repurchase it. First of all, let me just say that the nozzle on this did not work, so I had to use it and I had to apply it to like a different bottle. But besides that, this right here is a Soultanicals Spiralicious Kink Drink. Now this is kind of like a refresher spray. That's the whole thing for. Yeah, how to refresh my curls with this hair drink. Nourish, dry, thirsty strands. Simply used to perk up a curly do. I wouldn't buy it again, but this wasn't bad to my hair. I just wouldn't get it again. It's All About Curls by Zotos Professional, and this is their conditioner. Now their conditioner I think is very good. So if you're looking for like a drugstore conditioner, this was not bad whatsoever. Like, it did not make my hair feel dry, and I believe the big size is only 10 bucks. So you can get it at Sally Beauty. Very affordable, very good.
Last one.
Oh my god, this is the last one for real. Hold on. My back hurts. Okay. EarthBorn Organic, and this is the Kokum Butter Deep Conditioner. This is it. I can't believe I used it all up. I really clean. You can see like a finger smear. I was really dedicated to getting the last scoop. This did not make my hair feel dry, but I wouldn't really get it again. I have a lot of other conditioners that I'm using at the moment, so this is not something that really made me want to rebuy it, but I'm glad I tried it out. Now with this Empties,
I lied.
Oh my god. Oh, this is my baby right here. The Ecoslay Peppermint Schnapps. Now, I did repurchase it just because I have a new one. Well, it's like this much done in my bathroom from Black Friday. But I actually like this a lot. I'm able to detangle my hair with it as a shampoo. This is the shampoo. It feels nice on the scalp. It cleans my hair, but not super squeaky clean. But it does not dry my hair whatsoever. So I do like this product a lot. This shampoo from Ecoslay. Now, with this Empties right here, I just wanted to say that I try a lot of products out, so if something really, really wows me, I'm going to repurchase it. But a lot of products, you can like something, but not want to buy it again. So that's how I feel with most of these products. Like, I like it, it's good, but am I going to buy it again? Not really, so I could try other things out. So yeah, I just wanted to make that little disclaimer. Let me know down below what are some products that you have used up that you would like to share with us. Share things that you have repurchased a lot of times. Like this Taliah Waajid Curly Curl Cream. This is my 3rd jar of it, and I would definitely get it again. Like I mentioned with this, I like it, but would I get it again? I don't think I would, but I did like it a lot. So I don't know. Let me know what your Empties is looking like down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know to keep saving my products and all that good stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. I'm gonna show you guys all my Empties. I can't show you, never mind. Bye guys. Nothing is doing the work. My hair looks really nice in this angle.
Hair always looks nice every angle.
No, for real, like guys, look how nice my hair looks. Look at my trash.
Look at all this money spent.
Yeah, you're right. Look at this money spent.